Many players ask, can I play Fortnite on my phone? The good news is yes, you can. This tutorial will guide you through the process. By the end, you'll successfully install Fortnite on your mobile device. First, ensure your device supports Fortnite. Check your phone's specifications. You need at least 4 GB of RAM and iOS 14 or Android 11. Open your device's settings to confirm. Next, download the Epic Games app. Open your device's browser. Visit the Epic Games website. Locate the mobile section and select the Fortnite icon. Tap Download to get the Epic Games app. Install the Epic Games app once downloaded. Find the app in your downloads. Open it and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Now, access the Epic Games app. Once opened, look for Fortnite in the list. Tap the Install button next to Fortnite. Wait as the game downloads to your device. After downloading, open Fortnite from your app menu. Log in with your Epic Games account. If you don't have one, create a new account easily. You can now start playing Fortnite on your phone. Remember to adjust your settings for better performance. Lowering graphics may help ensure smooth gameplay. In summary, confirm your device specs, download the Epic Games app, install Fortnite, and log in. Playing Fortnite on your phone is now possible. Try these steps and enjoy Fortnite on the go. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Happy gaming!